Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totke. Today in this video I will tell you benefits of coconut oil for hairs. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. Benefits. Number 1. Lice prevention. One small study found that when combined with anise in a spray, coconut oil was 40% more effective at treating head lice than the chemical permethrin. Number 2. Sun protection. Ultraviolet filters can help protect your hair from sun damage. Some studies have found coconut oil to have a sun protection factor of 8, so putting it on your hair would be useful. Number 3. Dandruff treatment. Dandruff can be caused by an overgrowth of fungus or yeast on the scalp. While no studies have examined coconut oil specifically, it has antimicrobial properties and could be useful for treating dandruff. Number 4. Hair loss prevention. Excessive grooming can damage the hair shaft, which in extreme circumstances can cause hair loss. Coconut oil can help keep your hair in good condition and prevent these. It is also claimed that consuming coconut oil can be beneficial for hair health due to the nutrients it provides. However, there is little evidence that in this case. Why coconut oil is better at protecting your hair than other oils? Coconut oil is often said to be the best oil to use on your hair to reduce protein loss and keep it looking healthy. Given the current popularity of coconut oil, this would be easy to dismiss as a trend. However, there is some evidence behind this claim. One study examined the effect of applying coconut, sunflower or mineral oil to hair before or after washing to see which oil was best for protecting hair health. The researchers measured the amount of protein the hair lost after each of these treatments. They found that coconut oil was better at preventing protein loss than both the mineral and sunflower oils when applied at the before or after the hair was washed. In fact, coconut oil came out on top in all of their studies and reduced protein loss in hair that was undamaged, bleached, chemically treated and ultraviolet exposed. On the other hand, both the mineral and sunflower oil did not have this effect and were not found to be effective at reducing protein loss from hair. It is thought that coconut oil's chemical structure is behind its superior ability to protect hair. Coconut oil is predominantly made up of medium-chain fatty acids called lauric acid. This gives coconut oil a long, straight structure which is more easily absorbed deep into the hair shaft. Sunflower oil contains mostly linolenic acid, which has a much bulkier structure, so it's not as easily absorbed into the hair. This means that oils like mineral oil and sunflower oil can coat the hair, but they are not absorbed as well into the hair shaft. I will give you the link of 5 best coconut oil for hairs in the description. You can buy at amazon.com. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.